Hello guys, I'm Agus Autina. In here, I want to tell you about linking word of theme connector. Do you think about theme connector? Theme connector used for show the theme of action. Atau konjungsi waktu digunakan untuk menunjukkan waktu tindakan. Oke, kita akan membahas 10 pola kalimat di konjungsi waktu. The first is after plus sentence and then sentence again. Example, after Peter had graduated, he became a doctor. After Peter had graduated, itu sentence. He become a doctor, diikuti kalimat kembali. Number 2, after plus noun or infinitive plus ing and then sentence. Example, after graduation or graduating, Peter become a doctor. After graduation itu noun, graduating infinitive plus ing, and Peter become a doctor itu termasuk sentence. Number 3, before plus sentence and then sentence. Example, before our team play the match, they had trainer hard. Before our team play the match itu sentence, they had trainer hard, diikuti sentence again. 4, before plus noun or infinitive plus ing. Example, before playing the match or before the match, our team had trainer hard. Before playing itu infinitive plus ing. Our team had trainer hard, diikuti kalimat, bisa diikuti kalimat. 5, while plus sentence and then sentence again. Example, while Maya was watching the film, she fell asleep. While kemudian Maya was watching the film itu kalimat, she fell asleep, diikuti kalimat kembali. 6, while plus infinitive plus ing. Example, while watching the film, Maya fell asleep. While watching itu infinitive plus ing. Number 7, while plus preposition plus noun. Example, while in the middle of the film, the light went off. While in the middle of the film, preposition plus noun, the light went off. Number 8, during plus noun. Example, during the film, Maya fell asleep. During the film itu during plus noun. 9, sentence plus when plus sentence. Example, I heard loud music when I answered the phone. I heard loud music itu termasuk kalimat, kemudian diikuti when, diikuti I answered the phone, diikuti kalimat kembali. 10, on plus verb plus ing. Example, on hearing the bad news, everyone shocked and fainted. On hearing itu verb plus ing. The bad news, everyone shocked and fainted, diikuti kalimat. Oke, selanjutnya Extra linking word. A linking word showing purpose. Konjungsi yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan tujuan, seperti so, in order, in the hope. Pola kalimatnya, pertama, present or future tense, plus so, in order, in the hope, plus that, plus subject, plus can, will, may, don't, doesn't, plus infinitive. Example, I will go home itu present, plus so, plus that, plus subject I, plus can, plus take a rest infinitive. Number 2, past tense plus so, in order, in the hope, plus that, plus subject, plus called, would, make, plus infinitive. Example, I took a taxi to the station, past tense, plus so, plus that, plus subject I, plus called, plus cat the rain, infinitive. Number 3, to, in order to, so as to, plus infinitive. Example, I go to the gym to get fit. Number 4, in order not to, or so as not to. Example, I go to the gym in order not to gain weight. Number 5, in the hope of, or with the aim of, plus infinitive plus ing. Example, I go to the gym in the hope of, plus getting fit, infinitive plus ing. Number 6, in the hope of not, plus infinitive plus ing. Example, in the hope of not, plus gaining weight, infinitive plus ing. I go to the gym.